Hello guys, welcome back. I know I haven't posted in a while, but we are back. So let's get started. So I placed an order on Monday for this Bambu Lab order. And everything except one thing did not come into shipment. So we'll check what we have for now, but yeah. So that's some new boxes. Okay, I'm surprised. Okay, so for those who don't know, I'm planning on doing a breacher build. So that's the breacher by Silly Butts. It's a foam flinging, shell ejecting Nerf shotgun. And yeah, updates on that maybe in about 2 weeks or a month. Anyways, yeah, today we have some new filament for that build. So me and Brandon are both gonna do one, chances are. Yeah, so let's get into this video. So yeah, we have a white PET HF refill. Same thing, lime green, lake blue, gray, which is their lighter gray, and also orange. And inside the box, we also have 3 packs, and there's 5 in each pack of these M3x30 socket head machine screws. So that's good. And we also have some M3 carbon steel hex nuts. Perfect. So this will be for the accessories on the breachers. Admittedly, I should have bought one more pack of the socket head screws, but I do have 3 left over from my last build, which was the battle axe build, so we'll see how that goes. Might have to order more, so we'll see. But for now, we're just going to get these filament rolls up and running into some spools. Here's how it's gonna work. So these are the new boxes from Bambu. I have not seen this style of box yet. I've seen it, well, I've heard of it on Reddit, and I've also saw a picture on Reddit, but I've never seen one myself. So let's open them up. I like the old style. They were a lot easier to open. And also I just like the folding box in general. These new boxes feel more flimsy, and it feel like they would be less practical in selling stuff. But I suppose the way it's built could be good for reusing as packaging for my customers. Okay, let me go get the, actually, is this fine? We'll live with it. I'm not gonna stop the video just to run out. Yeah, we have silica gel, which is always nice to see. This is the orange. And for those who don't know, I print my own spools out of PET HF. So, out of ABS. I'm loading in PET HF. Yeah, I print them in ABS, Bambu ABS, and then, yeah, it works out magnificently. The only disadvantage is if I ever drop these spools, it has a very slight chance of breaking, but it should be fine. Okay, did it lock? No. Okay, this is a bit sketchy. Okay, now it locked. And then we just throw in the spool lock. Perfect. Now that's not going anywhere. And then we just pull these tabs. I'm gonna go get some filament clips. Be right back. And to those who don't know, my filament clips are printed myself out of polycarbonate, Polylite PC. So this is the file, I think Grandma's favorite filament clip. That's available on both Maker World and Printables. Did I release a remix of that? No, I did not, but yeah, it looks like These tabs are tough. Yeah, they make them oh yeah. What's the plan here? Let me go get some snips. Oh, let me go get a pair of snips. Okay, got a pair of snips. These are just some slide cutters that I have. Beautiful. Oh, wrong way. Gotta pull it the way that it's free. Oh no, that's not good. That's perfect. Let's actually clip this down. So it doesn't, so we don't lose this end of the filament, because that'd be bad. Okay. Yeah, so anyways, it's just a video of me loading spools. That's it. It's what you wanted to watch. Yeah, and we also have the sticker. Okay, interesting. So this time this is a smooth surface, but also matte. So interesting. So the equivalent of this is like the bottom of your print on the smooth PVI plate. Interesting. Yeah, to those who don't know, my experience with these stickers, there have been just different types of stickers. There is a textured one, which is almost like the textured PVI plate, and then there is smooth shiny, and then smooth matte. So those are the ones we've experienced. Let's pop open the green, the lime green. I'm excited for it. This one is meant to emulate the green Silly does for his blasters. Beautiful. That is gorgeous green. That is the type of green I like. Okay, let's rip it open. Silicone gel. And the sticker. Not really much to it. Ooh, besides loading these up. Yeah, again, it's always that. It's always that. Okay, that always feels a bit sketchy, loading it in like that. Perfect. And then find the end. Get the end. Get the end. Tying it down. So the winding on this green spool looks a lot better than the one on the orange for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe they were from different factories. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe the green ones are newer. Because I believe this lime green, I think, is a new color, maybe? Because I don't think they had this in the store before. Or maybe I just didn't notice. But I did not recall this being a thing with the older first generation of release. Let's put this to the side. And we're gonna clean these off later. just gonna do hopefully less talking and more spooling. Okay, this one's just not wanting to go in. There we go. Oh, no. That's not great. That's really bad. Oh, okay. Would it break it? No, it's good. No, it's a bit sketchy. Oh, this white. I already have some white. Let's actually not open this white then. Do I already have a blue? I didn't really think this through. Okay, yeah, let's not do the white today, since I already have white. But yeah, that's it for today. Let's see you guys in the next video. Peace out.